So we're in a Aeon Mall and we're trying Bingsu in a place called Bingeto, and it's just outside of Super Amusement Dream Games. So it's an amusement play area. It's got bowling as well. There's billiards, lots of different games like time zone. So it's actually this shopping centre is actually very good for young people or people who are young at heart who want to play a bit of games like the time zone. They've got cinemas upstairs and they've got food court as well. So, and lots of restaurants and buffets. So if you're young and you want to look at a place where it's raining or too hot and you want to, find a place to entertain yourself, this is quite a good mall for it too. So anyway, for Bingsu, this is a mango one, and it's actually got some ice cream, some mango, some cream cheese, and then you've got some pearls as well as some condensed milk to go over it. So beeping, we're going to get the next one. Woohoo! So this is the other one. I was going to order 3, but as I was putting the order through, the lady goes to me, they serve 3, they actually cater for 2 to 3 people this serving, so I thought, okay, we'll just try the 2 first. So this one is the chocolate one. So I can smell the chocolate sauce. They've got some hockey sticks. There's some strawberries and mango and watermelon, rock melon. So this is the chocolate version. So we're looking forward to trying both and seeing how they all go. All right, let me try. Let me have a quick go. So good thing with Bingsu is it's actually like shaved ice cream. So it's not like your icy frozen ice where they just sprinkle syrup over it. These are always a nice way. Nice creamy chocolate ice cream. It's always worth it. Bingsu is something you must try if you're into a dessert. Keep this in mind if you're in this area and you want to try, give it a go, okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.